best free email providers for business. So I'm going to give you 5. The first one is Zoho Mail. Okay, so when you go to the platform, Zoho Mail is one of the best that you can get out there for your business, and then it is convenient and secured. Okay, so to create an account, all that you have to do is simply come to the platform, and then you can simply come and then create a free account for totally free, as the name comes. Okay, so over here, as you can see, all that you have to do is simply select a business mail, and then you put in your name, your phone number, you create a strong password, then you come and then check the box to agree to their terms of services, and then you simply come and then click on sign up for totally free. Okay, they also have a nice interface that you can use to operate your business. Okay, so it is one of the best business provider out there for email. So the next one is also Gmail, which is the most commonly used by most businesses, and it also have a nice interface as well. So when you come here, you will see that we have calendar right in your email. Okay, so to use the calendar, all that you have to do is just click on the calendar, and then you will see it pop up right in your email just like this. And when you come down here, you can see that it says create an event. You can create an event for your business and all the things that you want, and then you also have contact right in your email as well, which is so nice. They have also added the Gemini as well. That is the AI feature that you can use to do all your business. And then to compose an email, all that you have to do is simply click on compose, and you can send a message. Okay, the next one that we are going to talk about, all that you have to do is simply go to Google, and then you type in outlook.com, and then it will bring you right here. It is powered by Microsoft. Okay, so Outlook is the same as Hotmail, and you can also come and then create a free account. Okay, it is also one of the best out there for businesses, and then they also have a nice and then simple to look interface as well. They also have the AI powered copilot in Outlook as well that you can also use to do all your business tasks as well. Okay, so this is also one of the best providers out there for business emails that you can also go for, and they also have a free feature which you can create a free account. And when you go for the free feature, you get 15 gigabytes mailbox storage, and then you also get 5 gigabytes cloud storage as well. So it is one of the best out there that you can get. The next one that we are going to talk about is ProtonMail. Actually, I have used ProtonMail myself, and it's one of the best out there. And as you can see, they have a secure business mail that you can create for your business as well. So to create an account, all that you have to do is simply come and then click on create a free account, and then it is as easy as that. They also have a nice interface that you can use. It is easy, and then they have the app as well. Okay, so to create an account, all that you have to do is just click on mail for business, and then you can simply come here and then click on get Proton Mail for your business, and that is it. Okay, it is one of the best out there. The last one that we are going to talk about, all that you have to do is simply go to Google, and then you type in Yahoo Mail. Okay, and then you hit enter. When it comes, simply come and then click on the official site of Yahoo Mail, and it's going to bring you right here, and then you can create an account. Okay, so it is also one of the best out there, and then it is simple to create an account or to sign up with them. Okay, let's have you just put in your username, and then you are good to go. To create an account, all that you have to do is just click on create an account, and you can even use Gmail to create an account within it as well. Okay, so these are the best top 5 email providers out there for businesses. Like the video, and then see you in my next video.